Alright, let's talk about how you can count checkboxes in Excel. Specifically, how to count it if the box is checked or not. Now here we just have some data. We have the student name, their attendance percentage, and their final exam score. Now we want to verify that both the attendance percentage and final exam score are correct in this data. So once we verify, we want in this column to insert a checkbox that once it's selected, we can check it off. So the simplest way to insert a checkbox is to select the cell you want the checkbox to be in, go up to the Insert ribbon, and select Checkbox here under Controls. If that's not appearing, you can search it in the bar and insert it. And once you have one inserted, you can select that, click this square in the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag that all the way down, and that's going to give a checkbox for each cell. Now that checkbox is assigned to that specific cell now. And one thing you'll notice is that when I select the cell that has the checkbox, you'll notice that it will say false. If I select the checkbox, it'll change to true. So we can use that logic to use a COUNTIF function to count the number of checkboxes that are selected. So we're going to add a tab for total students and then one for completed. So we'll just do a quick count a function to count the amount of students, which is 10. Now in this cell here, we want to know how many are checked off or how many have been verified or completed. And we can do this by typing equals, and we're going to do a COUNTIF function here. The range is going to be this entire column or the range of cells where our checkboxes are located. Comma, our criteria is going to be true, all capital. Because we know that when the checkbox is selected, that converts the cell to true rather than false. So if we go ahead and hit enter, we can see that there are 4 checkboxes selected. Now we can do the same thing for not completed. Now technically we could just subtract 4 from 10. However, if we want to use the function, we can use COUNTIF again. We'll select the range, and this time we'll do false in all capital letters and hit enter. Now if I hit this checkbox, we can see that that will update, or if I unselect the checkbox, that will update as well. But there you have it. That's how you can count checkboxes that are selected or checked off in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.